If you're tired of delays, inefficiency, and wasted effort in your projects or day-to-day tasks, then this video is for you. Stick around for the tips and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insight. Hi, I am Vikas Manoranjan, your productivity and time management expert. Today we are diving into a topic that can supercharge your efficiency. We will talk more about how to reduce time wastage and how to shorten time wasted cycle using practical techniques that you can implement right away. First of all, what is cycle time? Cycle time is the total time it takes to complete a process from start to finish. And waste can be anything that does not add value, be it time, effort, or even resources. Now imagine completing your task faster while using few resources and feeling stress free. That's the power of reducing waste and shorten its cycle time. Now, why it matters. For business, it means faster delivery to customer and lower cost. And for individuals, it means more time for what truly matters. So, how do we achieve this? Let's explore a set of proven techniques. The first technique we will discuss is eliminate bottleneck. In this technique, we will work on how identifying and removing steps that slow down your or my process. For example, in a project team, if approvals are a bottleneck, consider automating or delegating authority. Tip for you, you can use tools like process flowchart to spot bottlenecks. Now we'll talk about technique 2, that is apply lean principle. In this technique, focus on maximizing value and minimizing waste. For example, I'm sure you would have heard about Toyota's lean manufacturing system. If not, you can read on internet to know more. In that system, they revolutionized the auto industry by eliminating non-value adding activities. Tip for you, you must regularly review and optimize your workflows. Now we'll talk about technique 3, that is time blocking. In this technique, you must allocate specific time slots for tasks to minimize switching between tasks and improve focus. For example, set aside 90 minutes for deep work and rather than multitasking between emails and projects. Tip for you, you can use calendars or apps like Google Calendar to create time blocking. Next technique, that is technique 4, which we'll discuss, is called automate repetitive task. In this technique, you can use technology to handle repetitive and low value tasks. For example, you can try automating data entry or scheduling with tools like Zapier or Notion. Please note that this is not a promotion video related to any suggested tools. You are free to try any of your preferred tool. Now, tip for you, you can start small by automating one task and gradually expanding it. Last technique which we'll discuss today is leverage feedback loops. In this technique, you can use feedbacks to continuously refine your process. For example, you can gather feedback after each sprint in Agile development methodology to identify and fix inefficiencies. Now, tip for you, you can schedule regular retrospectives or check-ins to review progress. Now let me share a case study where I had applied eliminate bottleneck technique successfully. I was managing a software development project for a client. The deadline was tight The stakes were high and everything seemed to be going fine until it was not. The team started complaining that the tasks were piling up and the progress was slowing down. As a project manager, I knew something was not right. To figure out what was wrong, I mapped out the entire process on a flowchart from requirement gathering to deployment. And guess what? The problem was crystal clear. Every single task was waiting for approval from the BA lead before it could move forward. That one step was clogging the entire pipeline. Now, don't get me wrong, my BA lead was amazing at what she does, but she was overwhelmed with tasks and approvals were taking longer than expected. This was our bottleneck, so I had to act fast. In our next team meeting, I brought this up with everyone. We brainstormed solutions, and here what we get. First, we automated some of the QA checks using scripts and tools like Selenium. These scripts could catch obvious bugs so the BA lead did not have to spend time on repetitive tasks. We also delegated approval for smaller, less critical tasks to senior BA. That freed up the BA lead's time for more complex issues that actually needed her expertise. And you know what? Within a week, the difference was huge. The team wasn't waiting around anymore. Tasks were moving through the pipeline faster, and we started catching up the deadlines. Eliminating that one bottleneck not only sped up the project but also reduced stress across the board. So, if you are dealing with delays or feeling like your project is stuck, take a step back and map out your processes. Find that one thing that's slowing down everything. Sometimes it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. That's my story. What's yours? Let me know in the comment if you have tackled a bottleneck recently and how it worked out. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.